My video is about the danger of pop-ups by the site Badkick.biz. Badkick.biz, a truly dangerous resource that tries to infect your browser with web push notifications by this site. It says that you need to click on allow to watch the video, and indeed it looks as some video file that you are supposed to watch. From my personal experience, these pop-ups may come up on some video streaming websites, and suddenly the message may appear instructing you to click on this allow button. But in reality, this is a very serious mistake that leads to the browser hijacking. The browser gets soon redirected to the variety of third-party sites not requested by you, and often you may end up visiting the pages promoting adware, browser hijackers, and so on. So I urge you to be very careful not to click on the allow button. If it was clicked, go to the menu, click on settings, then site settings and notifications. Pay attention to the allow area very carefully. If you find this Badkick.biz in the list, click on this related button and remove the site from the list. I would also recommend that you perform the additional investigation of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the antivirus specifically for Mac. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. After the application is downloaded and installed, wait until the antivirus database is updated and click on Start Combo Scan. After that, the free research of your Mac will begin. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. After the scanning is completed, you will see the detailed report about the status of your Mac. You may go to the antivirus area and click on Review Results. The antivirus will give the total number of threats, and to review them, click here. Now, the program will show you the name of each specific threat, and what's very important, it will also show you its exact location. So what you can do is to click on this icon, this button that says Show in Finder. So it will show you its location in Finder, and you may remove each specific threat manually one at a time. So this is the free manual approach to deleting threads from your Mac computer. And once all these threads are deleted manually, the problems with your Mac should be fixed. Or you may consider deleting these threads automatically. However, this can be done only with the premium version of the program. Thanks for watching.